Welcome back students to the English class. Today now we are going to start our question answers. Obviously the first category is going to be the short question answers, and for that I want you to come on page number 22 where I am going to make you mark down the number of questions and obviously their serial. So now as we start our work, we are going to put the heading in the copy of question answers, and over there below the that heading we are going to put the category also. First, hold a pencil in hand and mark the serial number for the short question answers. Question number 1, page number 22. Why was New traveling to the capital? Question number 2. Where did he stop? Question number 3. What time of year was it and what was it like? Question number 4. What did New drink to keep himself warm? Question number 5. What two things did New do for the poor stranger? Acha students, now you are not going to copy down question number 6, which is 6 in your book. We are going to cancel it, and now coming to level 2, we are going to continue our short, as 7th is going to become 6 in your copy and 8th is going to become 7th in your copy. So now let's see how we are going to write down question number 6. How would you describe New? Your question is going to be till here. How would you describe New? You are not going to write down, use your own words. Hold a pencil in hand and just cut down these words, because I'm going to give you the answer. You are not going to write down the answer in your own words. So that's why we are not going to write down. Okay, use your own words. And now coming on the last question for the short category, question number 8 is becoming 7. How would you describe the stranger? This also is not going to be having these words. Use your own words, because your teacher is going to give you the answer. So your question is going to be only till here. How would you describe the stranger? So now let's start our work in the copy. For that, holding a black cut marker in hand, you are going to write down heading of the question answers, and obviously you are going to mention the category also. Using a black pointer, we are going to write down our question, and the question is, why was New traveling to the capital? After completing the question, you are coming on the new line and you will write down the answer. He was going to sit for his examination. He was going to sit for his examination. Full stop. Leaving a line, writing the next question. Where did he stop? Question mark. Answer. He stopped at a village inn. Full stop. Question number 3. What time of year was it and what was it like? Answer. It was the depth of winter, bitterly cold, and the snow was falling steadily. This completes your question number 3's answer. Moving for question number 4. Question number 4. What did New drink to keep himself warm? Answer. He drank tea to keep himself warm. Full stop. Question number 5. What two things did New do for the poor stranger? Answer. He gave him his supper and offered him his bed. Full stop. Question number 6. How would you describe New? Now students, you may see here that I have written the question till New. I have not mentioned use your own words. So you are also not going to write down use your own words. You will write down till New. Answer. He was poor but a kind student who always put others before him. Full stop. Question number 7. How would you describe the stranger? Question mark. Coming to the question. He was poor and extremely cold and seemed to be starving. He was poor and extremely cold and seemed to be starving. Full stop. Now this completes your short question answer category. Now switching to the new side of your page and putting the heading question answers and also obviously the category which is long in the bracket. Now students, we are going to mark down our question answers. Okay, and before that take a pencil and make a sequence of your long questions. Coming on page number 22, level 2, take question number 9 as first long in your copy. So it means we are going to cancel the 9th number and make first over here. Write down first here. This is going to be your first long. 10th is going to become second long in your copy. 11th is going to become third long in your copy. And then switching to page number 23, coming to page number 23, level 3, 12th question is going to become fourth long in your copy. And this question, that is the fourth long, which is 12th, which is becoming the fourth long in your copy, is also going to be written till. Now I'm going to read the question for your conveniency. Predict what comes next in the story, The Three Precious Packets. Full stop. Now first we are going to put the heading question answers, and in the bracket we are going to write down long over there. Okay, and after this you just take the question from your book, which is, can you explain why the stranger is presented this way? Let's start with the answer. He was probably meant to test the student or anyone else he comes across, comma, to see if they would show kindness and help a stranger in difficult circumstances. Full stop. Question number 2. What did the stranger think of New? Question mark. How do you know? Question mark. Answer. The stranger liked New because he had helped him. Full stop. In the story, it is mentioned that The stranger gazed at New, comma. Now we are going to use a different color pointer to highlight these words which will be within inverted commas. With eyes full of affection, inverted comma close, and a comma, which is the proof of his likeness, full stop. Question number 3. What is the innkeeper like? Question mark. How does he contrast with New? Question mark. Answer. He lacked compassion. Unlike New, full stop. He neither seemed pleased when the stranger only ordered tea, nor did he offer to give the stranger food as New had done, comma, suggestion that he had little sympathy for the stranger, full stop. Question number 4. Predict what comes next in the story, The Three Precious Packets, full stop. Answer. Magical power is the common feature of a folk tale. Thus, comma, we can say that the magic will affect, full stop, New in some ways, and he will get the precious packets, which is going to be highlighted by you people. The three precious packets, as it is the title of this story, comma, from the stranger as a reward of his kindness, full stop. With this, we complete our work for the question and answers, and inshallah in the next part we are going to complete our unit by doing the leftover exercises. Allah Hafiz.